What have you done here? Are you full? Would you like some more food? Would you like some more food? Yeah, feed yourself. Go on. Feed yourself. No? You don't want any more, Leah? Are you full? Are you full, Leah? Good girl. Good girl. Would you like some water, Leah? Would you like some water? Okay, hold on. Mommy has to open that first. Mommy has to open that. Mommy has to open it first, Leah. You can't just put it in your mouth like that.